Securing Jacksonville. How River City Lock and Key keeps the community safe. In a fast-growing city like Jacksonville, the need for dependable security is more important than ever. That's where River City Lock and Key steps in, providing reliable, affordable, and expert locksmith services that help residents and businesses feel safe and secure. From emergency lockouts to advanced lock installations, River City Lock and Key has become a trusted name in local security solutions. Local experts you can trust. River City Lock and Key isn't a faceless franchise, it's a locally owned and operated business that understands the unique needs of Jacksonville's neighborhoods, from Riverside and Mandarin to the beaches and beyond. Their team of licensed and insured technicians brings not only years of experience but also a commitment to customer service that's hard to find in the security industry. Whether you're locked out of your home, need to rekey your business, or want to upgrade your property's security system, River City Lock and Key responds quickly and professionally, with service that's available 24/7 for emergencies. Comprehensive locksmith services. What sets River City Lock and Key apart is the wide range of services they offer. Residential locksmithing, lock changes, rekeying, deadbolt installation, smart lock upgrades. Commercial locksmithing, master key systems, high-security locks, panic bar installation. Automotive services, car key replacement, transponder programming, ignition repair. Emergency lockouts, fast, damage-free entry for homes, businesses, and vehicles. No matter the job, the River City team uses modern tools and techniques to ensure quick, effective results without compromising security. A commitment to community safety. Beyond locks and keys, River City Lock and Key plays an important role in Jacksonville's larger effort to build safer neighborhoods. By helping families feel secure in their homes and enabling business owners to protect their properties, they contribute daily to the safety and peace of mind of the city's residents. In addition, their team regularly educates clients about preventative security measures, such as upgrading outdated locks, using reinforced hardware, and installing smart access systems to reduce the risk of break-ins and unauthorized access. Why choose River City Lock and Key? Jacksonville has no shortage of locksmiths, but River City Lock and Key stands out for its fast response times and 24/7 availability, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, experienced, courteous, and background-checked technicians, local reputation built on trust and reliability. When you need help securing what matters most, whether it's your home, business, or vehicle, River City Lock and Key is the name you can depend on. Security starts with strong locks and trusted professionals. In Jacksonville, River City Lock and Key continues to raise the standard for safety, service, and satisfaction, one lock at a time. Visit the link in the description below for more information.